Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a few days since I've posted a video, but I just want to say thank you for all of your kind comments on my craft room organization video, and welcome to all the new subscribers. Today I have a fun unboxing video. So this is from Taperlogy, and I do have a coupon code listed down below for 15% off, which is a pretty good deal. And they are running a sale right now, so you might want to check them out. But I always like to go on and kind of see some of their new items. So I will kind of walk you through some of the new items here. I will show you that this isn't from Taperlogy, but I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so let's take everything out of the box. Put that over to the side. So we have this fun little bag. All right, okay, so they gave, a lot of times they'll give you a free gift. So these are some rub-on stickers. These are so cute. And Florence over at Taperlogy is so sweet. But they have stickers, they have rub-ons, they have papers, they have fibers, they have a lot of fun stuff. These are perfect for spring. Look how cute those are. Oh, those are so cute. I love those. And I've shown y'all how to use rub-ons before. So you can check that out on another video, or I'm sure I'll be doing some rub-ons here in the future. Let's take a look at these fun little papers here. So I ordered two different kinds. I ordered, so I'll show you on the back. So on the back, you can see these are the images on this one. And I was looking for, they have different names, but if you click, oh, here we go, Memory Archive, and then this is Leaf Paper Fragrance. So let's look at Memory Archive first. So there's 30 pieces in here. And I like how it's tied up with this twine. And then this you can also use, so don't throw that away. We like to reuse our packaging. But look how pretty these are. And I think these are great for collage. You can back these and quickly turn them into tags. So it looks like you get 3 of each image, which is really nice. So they're thin, but if you just back them on some cardstock, they are ready to go tags. Or even just lay them down on a journal page, or just tear them up and make little fun collages. So I'll do a separate video, and I'll kind of show how to use these. So cute. I love these papers. They are so neat. Like, you got the little wax seal there and all the little ephemera bits. And then this one goes horizontal, which is really neat. You could probably, yeah, you could use that as a little journal page in a little journal. And you could put some other papers on the back. And then we have another horizontal one. So cute. And then this one. I really like these a lot. And then this pack was called Leaf Paper Fragrance. And I'm just sliding those out so I can keep the pretty bow. So we'll move these over here. So we have the language of plants, the commercial potato. Yeah, 3 sheets in this one as well. So cute. Oh, I love this one. Really cute. Oh, this one's really pretty. So pretty. So if you're wanting to build up your stash, this is a fun way to do it, instead of, you know, going and buying a bunch of books and then you have to, you know, cut out the flower images, and then you have to, you know, find some book papers or newspaper print. You know, these are ready-made for you. So they're great for whether you're a beginner or if you've been doing this a long time. Really cute. So I like these a lot. And then next up, I thought this one intrigued me. They look almost 3D. And they're embossed, which I think is really neat. And I love how they package this little frame. I'll definitely be using that frame. That's really cute. And then I could just put like a little flower or something right there to cover that up. The tail of flower and leaves. And these are embossed as well. You can see it better on the back. So pretty. Love that. And there are how many pieces? 10 pieces in here. So they're about postcard size. These are so cool. I really like these. I like the 3D effect. And they look almost like they're like oil or acrylic paint, you know? Very neat. But I think these would make really quick little tuck pockets in a journal. Just glue down 2 sides, glue it onto a page. I love the purples. Those are really neat. Or, you know, you could just put it in a pocket and then you could journal on the back of it. Like the crochet doily there. And then this one. So I thought those were really fun. And I'm always looking for different stuff. And then I have not purchased their flowers before. So I thought I'd try these out. Oh wow, these are nice. And I see Tina at Chevy Debbie Doodah. I like how she takes the centers out and then she'll replace it with some bling. So seeing if I can get the centers out of these. Yeah, perfect. And then, so then you have, looks like 3 layers to play around with. And then just she'll add like a gem or a bead or something like that. So those popped out quite easily. And they feel, I mean, I know they're not silk, but they kind of have that feel. Try to put that in there. And it's just a mix of different colors, which I thought for spring would just be so pretty. It looks like there's maybe like 20 in this pack, but I love this like sagey green, and then these kind of pinky mauves and purple and the yellow. This is a really pretty blue too. These are so fun. I really like these. And another trick is if your leaves have folded up, once you put it onto your project, just take a little bit of like hot glue and glue that, and then you can glue it back down. A lot of times they'll kind of straighten out on their own, but if not, you can do little hot glue or little glue back behind that petal, and that'll help keep it down. These are really nice quality. I really like these. Yeah, so I'm going to push those up here. And then the other thing, I love this little tin. These labels really intrigued me. And because they almost look metallic, and they kind of sound it, don't they? You know, when you rattle it, but they're not. They're thin, but they're like a chipboard kind of weight, if you can hear that. So I thought these would be really cute to add on to charm dangles and just add as labels on tags. And there's, I forget how many are in here, but there's a lot, as you can see. But I love the color variety. I love that they're already grunged up. You can poke a little hole in them if you want to add them onto a bulb pin, or oh look, it has the different months. That's fun. I don't think it has all of them, but it has some of them. February, November, July, August, another November. Very neat. Here's an April and a December. Oh, well, that's neat. I didn't realize it had the months in there. May, July, August. Very neat. Another December. There's a couple of some of the months. Let's see. We have January, February, March, April, May. We have June? We have a July, a couple Julys. We have August, September. We have October, November, December. So the only one I haven't found is a June. There's another March. That's interesting. They skipped over June. Unless you all see it, and I don't see it. But how cool is that? Oh, is this a June? Here's June. That's really neat. I like that. But aren't they so fun? I love the yellows, like the rusty yellows here. I think those are really neat. And they have kind of a little finish, so they almost look metallic, which I think is neat. But yeah, I just thought these would be fun to play around with. And I like all the different shapes and sizes and colors. And I like the bonus of all 12 months. And there's 2 of some of them, so that's cool. Oh, there might be 2 of all of them. Let's see here. We have a June, another June, and another February. So there's at least 2 of each month, which is very cool. I like that. And then the last thing I'll show you. So I've ordered this. I gotta look and see who I ordered. So this is from Susan over at Jules Meredith, and I just thought these were so pretty. I'm a sucker for stationery. See how I can open this. So this is not from Taperlogy. This is from a seller over on Instagram. But it's a little stationery set. So you have this one, and they're embossed, and then this one, and then this one. So there's 2 sets. This one. And I just thought they were so sweet. And I thought those would be really cute in some spring journals as well. So yeah. So this is my fun little haul from Taperlogy. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't shopped from them, check them out. Especially their fibers. I love ordering my fibers from them to use like for tag toppers and things like that. But I love trying out their new things. And these labels and these flowers, I am excited to use them. And these papers over here are really cute. Yeah. And I love my free little gift. Those little rub-ons are so cute. I have a lot of their rub-ons. I've done several different videos using their rub-ons. And these are just precious for spring. Like the watering can. Alright guys, well, stay tuned. I'll come back and make some fun little stuff with these items. and show you how to use these. And if you're interested, use my coupon code. Save you 15%, which is a good deal. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.